Hello, my name is Bogdan, I am the owner of DNN Sharp. In this video I will show you a new feature we have in Search Boost, and that is the ability to ignore security for portal documents. So they appear in search results regardless of their security, but when they are clicked, Search Boost will redirect either to the login page or to the access denied page if the user is already logged in. So I will start by showing you the default behavior. So I'll search for a document that I know is visible only to registered user. Now I'm logged in as a super user account. And here you can see I have a document under portal folder, in documents folder, and it's called like this. Now I will go on a different browser where I'm not logged in, and I will search for the same thing. And you can see it didn't bring any result, and this is expected because I will show you in File Manager in the Documents folder. The security is set to registered user only. Now I will go on disk and I will go into the Documents folder and I will edit a metadata file. As you may already know, the metadata file is used by Search Boost to give more context to content at indexing and search time. For example, to give it categories, to give it additional keywords, to give it boosting, and the new feature which is an attribute called ignore security, and set it to true, and it will give us the effect that I described. So I will save this document, and now I will go back to the administration console, and I will reindex the content. I will now go back and perform the same steps. So I'll search for this document, and because I'm a super user account, you will see all the 3 documents. But what's interesting now, I will go to the browser where I'm now logged in, and I will perform the same search again. So now I see the 3 documents, even if I don't have access to them because I'm not logged in yet. But when I click any of the documents, I will be taken to the login page. Now if I were to log in here, it will redirect back to the download page, and it prompts me to download the file. That's all there is to it. But remember that you can also apply this per document, and I will prove this in just one moment. So I will go back to the portal folder, and I will create a metadata file just for one document. So I will create it just for the first one. Okay, so now you see it has ignore security true, but I will take it out from the .sb metadata file that applies to the whole folder. So right now the effect should be that instead of getting the 3 results, I will only get one, and that is the one for which I created a metadata file with the attribute set to true. I will go back to the search settings and reindex contact before I do the test. So I will go back to the site and I will perform the same search again. And you can see I still have the 3 results because I'm logged in as a super user. Now I will go to the browser where I'm not logged in, and I will search again for this document. And now you see I only have one of them, the one for which I created the metadata file. The same behavior applies. When I click it, I will get redirected to the login page. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps setting up your search. Thank you for your time.